Welcome to the webcast about preparing your personal statement. This is where you really do have full control. Over the next few sessions, we're going to talk about how to create a personal statement, what a good personal statement looks like, and you're going to have a chance to sit down and actually write your personal statement. Now, the thing to know about a personal statement is that it is the only part of your application package that you have full control. What do we mean by that? Well, your academic record is basically what it is. Your extracurricular activities are in the past. You've done them already, or you haven't. The recommendation letters you get from other people are pretty much what they are. They're either sensational or they're just pretty good. And your test scores are based on how you did that day on the test. So again, as we say, your personal statement is the part where you can really make the difference and get an edge on the other scholarship applicants. Now, personal statements have certain themes, and committees look for these themes in your personal statement. They look for creativity, they look for curiosity, they look to see if you have pride in your work or you really enjoy learning, and they also look to see how well you work on a team. So think of the personal statement as a snapshot of who you are that's going to tell the committee in about 250 to 300 words what you're about. Okay, your personal statement is your chance to talk directly to the scholarship judging committee. Okay, you get to convince them to select you. You get to show them how you will add value to their organization by being awarded this scholarship. And you also get to tell them exactly why they should select you. Sound good? Okay, let's move forward. Personal statements are good or okay. Now, a really good personal statement is a strong statement about you. It strives for depth, not breadth. That means you want to show how deep, how intense you are about the things that you do, not how many different things you do. And a good statement will use appropriate grammar and syntax, so make sure you have somebody proofread it for you. It'll use precise and vivid language, and most important, there are no spelling errors in your personal statement. Okay, you want to make sure you conform to the guidelines. So if the personal statement is supposed to be 200 words or less, you want to make sure that you do not go over 200 words. If it's supposed to be 500 words or more, make sure it's at least 500 words. Okay, and there are benefits from writing several drafts and getting feedback from other people. Okay, it's not just a list of your accomplishments. Remember when your mom told you that it's quality, not quantity that counts? Well, same thing goes for this personal statement. You want to have a high quality, succinct statement about who you are and why you want to do what you want to do. Now, a personal statement usually will contain a catchy introduction that keeps the reader interested. Something that makes the reader say, you know what, I want to find out more about this. Things about this person. Things that are maybe blemishes, you want to go ahead and try to make those into positives. It's okay to have flaws. The personal statement is your chance to show how you've transformed your flaws. For example, if your personal statement theme is overcoming obstacles and you earned a poor grade in a class, but went to community college at night to repeat the course, it's important for your reader to know this because that's an example of your perseverance. Okay, the reader doesn't want to hear the complaints about poor grades and the circumstances. They just want to know how you overcame them. Okay, you want to demonstrate your knowledge of the scholarship. If you're writing for a college or you're writing to get into a particular major, you want to show that you've done some research and you know what that means. Okay, and lastly, a personal statement exudes confidence. So no matter what, you want to show that you're confident.